PDM Publisher is also available as a SOLIDWORKS task add-in, an ideal option for PDM administrators looking to streamline exports across the team. Once installed and licensed inside your vault, you can simply right-click on Tasks, select New Task, and create a new PDM Publisher task. The setup is familiar and similar to the default tasks in PDM. Once you select PDM Publisher from the Add-ins drop-down in the New Task dialog, you'll see 3 new custom pages: Options, Annotations, and Conditions. These pages let you define exactly how you want PDM Publisher to handle your exports. Everything from file format and export location to annotations and filtering rules. Once your task is configured, don't forget to set the execution method, success, error notifications, and user permissions. The new task will appear in the right-click menu under Tasks in the File Explorer, ready to be launched from any machine connected to your vault. This setup is perfect for offloading heavy exports, letting you run large or time-consuming jobs on a dedicated task host machine, keeping engineers free to focus on design and innovation. To get more information about the task version of PDM Publisher, please reach out to us at pdmpublisher.com.